So we were discussing over here. So sorting means, okay, you will create a report, you need to sort it, the records, okay, normally by account ID or something. So I just say account by descending order to show you ascending or descending. Descending means from largest to lowest. Normally should be lowest to largest. Okay, I select this. Then next it says subheadings. If you need, for simplicity, I will not use subheadings. Okay, later on we can check a report in which we put this thing. Group totals, I'll say uncheck it. We'll check in again. What is the range? Range means search criteria. Okay. I want to create a report, but tomorrow I want to add search criteria, that you can search by this. So I want users to search by account number and by customer group. Okay. I will show you where these things will come. Like this too. Okay, then press next. It will say you want to put it in some menu. I say yes, I want to put it in the menu. It will automatically create a menu. Okay, where you want to put it, system will load the menu. This is my, remember the name of the report. Okay, and I want to put it in, for example, account receivable in the reports in this area. Okay, I want to put it in this area. Okay, customer demo data. Next, finish. Now system is creating a report.
Done?
Yes. Now if you close and open, remember whenever you add a menu or something, you need to close and open. Okay.
Every time we have to close the data?
Yes, if you add menu to the form. Okay. If you go to receivable now, see, this is my ranges. Remember, I need search criteria. Okay. So here I did not put anything. I press OK. See how very big data system is generating the data. It will generate and show you. This is the, remember, this is the data. So let me just to show you, let me just increase the size. This is our data. Okay, customer number, address, customer group, name, these things. Okay, this is our data. So let us have it, let's say we need all the customers with this group only, VIP. Okay, so what we'll do, select and we put criteria. Which group we need? Only one customer we have, because remember I put one during initially. Let's select another one. Instead of VIP, we'll take, for example, okay, Amil 2. Amil Adi is lot of, so there is no data here. Let us find somebody. This one, you will find lot of data over here. Okay. So we find.
No.
Okay. This
Why
is what?
This is too small.
Because there are a lot of fields we can reduce. Because remember I did 6, 7, 8 fields. Okay. If you put low number of fields, it will be fine. Okay. I put, so to make these fields, let us reduce the fields. How to do it? In the reports, you will find this report, this one, and if you want to modify it, you can modify it from here as well. See, let me remove all this data. Okay, let me delete all these columns. See the same column names or something, I just delete it. Save the report, same idea, save and compile. Save and compile. Okay, if you want to change, for example, font and anything, for example, you can still modify the same report. How to do it? You just go to the report, for example, view code. This is the same report, but you can modify, make things bold, for example. You got my point?
Oh,
Okay, you got it. Just the same. Save this. But the idea is the wizard help you to create it initially. Becomes bold. Okay. Okay. So what is the benefit of this report? Very quickly you create it for this reference data or anything you need, a query or something, any query you have in mind. Okay, just link the tables. Next, it will create the report. Then if you want to make it good, change it, you can come over here, like for example, just right click, view code. Let's say this is the field,
We add
green color, yellow color, for
can we
example.
add logo or company
Yes,
image?
yes, you can put logos as well. This you need to search how to do it. Okay.
I search.
Okay, just search it on it. It's good practice. You can easily add logos and anything on it. Okay. You need to add the bitmap.
Yes,
Bitmap. Then it will ask you for path and everything.
Yes.
Just search and do it. Okay. But the idea is how to create reports very quickly. Okay. So what you have to do right now, create a report. Okay, very quickly. You can do it on vendor. Okay. You can do it on journal, ledger journal, where there was the data like this one. Remember, we have data over here, lot of data. This one. Okay, you can create a report over here as well. This data you can create a report. You can create even reports in the lines. This is a data. Okay.
Yes.
You can create, for example, any report. But this is like I told you. This is. Like ad hoc reports, very quickly, easily you make, very quickly it's coming. It's not like SSRS where you can do calculations, a lot of calculations, lot of code and everything. Okay. So you have to do create menu items and this thing, then you can do this report as well.
Okay. Now
Just 1 second, Mr. Now it's clear?
I'm trying to build the ad hoc group.
Yes. Let me just make one with you as well. If you want, like for example, let us make it 2 levels report. Okay, I will make it very quickly. If you have anything to ask me, you can ask me over there. Okay, Mr. Ahmed, can you see over here? Then you can do it. We'll see the 2 reports, general and lines. Let me see if I can find any table which has lines and everything. Let's see if you have sales orders or something. No. Purchase orders, I think you will have. See, you destroyed everything. Not destroyed. You put something test in over here. You got to what? Otherwise, it's supposed to be this thing over here. Let me go. Excellent. We have purchase orders. Okay. Purchase order is purchase order. It has purchase order and it has lines.
And the master and details.
Master and details. Okay. It has master and details. Okay. So we'll use this one. I know the table name, but if you need, it's called purge table and purge line. Okay, but if you need to track, you can track it by yourself. Okay, I will just show you purchase order and purchase line. So let us quickly go through it. Purchase lines. Okay, I'll quickly go through it. Purchase lines. Okay, so which table I have to select first? Tell me, which table I have to select first?
Purchase.
Yes, purchase, the header table. Okay, first I will select the header table, then I will select the lines table. Okay, parent child. Okay, so first I will select purge table. Okay, then I will find it from here, purge lines. If I type purge lines, it will come over here, purge line. Okay. Even if you see, it's like this. See, parent child. Okay. Now from the purchase table, it says image do not exist. No problem. You have to say what you need. I need something called purchase ID. This is called purchase ID. This is called vendor account number. Okay. So because I know the field, so I am taking it. So I am taking purchase ID. I will take. I need order account. Okay, I need something called vendor group, for example. Okay, I'll just Sorry,
This
from purchase table. From purchase table. Okay. This. From line, I will take item number, for example, quantity and price. Okay.
Okay.
So from where I will find it? This is purchase table. This is purchase line. I need item ID. Okay. I will find something called item ID. I need item name. I need purchase quantity. I need it, for example, unit price. Sorry. Purchase price. 1 second. Purchase price, and I need line amount. This one. Okay. This is called line amount. Okay. I take it. Header lines. Header lines. Now next, it will ask me what you need. I say okay, I need the line amount total, sir, but I do not need purchase price total. Okay, I don't need, because it doesn't make sense. Okay, let's say if it is there, I don't need it. I just need it like this. From there it's fine. From here I can say I don't need any. I just need line amount. Okay. Next, sort. I just need by purchase ID. Sort by purchase ID and sort by item ID as well. Okay. Item ID. That's it. Okay. Ascending sort. Next, yes, here I need it by headings. You know, I need the heading purchase order, all lines. Purchase order, all lines. Okay. Yes, something like this. So I put like this, purchase order, and also group totals by purchase order. Okay, group totals by purchase order. I put it like this. Range, same concept. If you know, purchase ID, I need it to search by purchase ID. I need to search by order account, and I need to search by item ID. There are only 3 searches. You can put as many you like. Okay. Okay, 3 I need. Next, what type of report I need? Just put it like this: landscape. Yes, I want to put it. In which menu should I put it? Tell me. Yes, in the. Let me put it in test. Okay. Okay, I put it in test. Next, finish. It's doing everything. It will. Halas, done. Close. Close. Okay, it's there. If we go over there, my filters are there. Okay, which I put. If I press OK, it will bring all records. See, if you see itself, for example, sorry, I make it a little bit very big. I ask it to make it like, remember the heading, make the heading, put this thing, put total. So it's doing like this: heading total, heading total. So what is the good way? I should put by purchase order. I can search by purchase by. I say give me all data for this purchase order. This one. You got a one? All the items. Okay. I need to search by item. I can search by items. Okay. So this gives you quickly the reports you want to make. This is called ad hoc reports. Fahimtani? Okay. So what is your task? Create some ad hoc report. There is no right way or wrong way. Just create some any case based on any query or any table. You need the report. And if you want to modify the report, you can modify it. Okay. This is called Warfex reports. Create menus and everything. Tomorrow we have 2 very important topics. One is modify existing SSRS reports and how to customize security. Okay. And just do some practice right now, then inshallah.
If we I need to make the report from period, start date and end date.
Yes, that you can put over here, date criteria.
Exactly.
Dot. Start date, dot, end date. 01/01/2015 dot 31/01/2015. Like for example, let me see if there is any report.
Changing the design.
For example, let me see where I can put. this thing like customer account statement. Okay,
Sure, yeah.
this is here you have this like this dates. Otherwise, you can also put it like customers, not customers. Let me find a transaction, purchase transactions or sales transactions. In the transactions, for example,
Mm.
here you can put like this.
From date to date.
Here you can put like this 01 01 2015 dot dot 31 01 2015. Okay, this is the criteria, so it will automatically base filter criteria on this thing.
Mm.
Okay,
I, I just if I need to add in the criteria page for as in our report now. When we start the report, it gives me two fields. Can I
yes,
write from to
yes, you
directly
can also do
to
it.
separate it
Yes,
or just
no, you can do that as well, but that it is done in SSRS reports. Okay, because
Mm.
an SSRS report, what you will do, you will take this parameter in the code and then you pass it to your query.
Mm.
Okay, I will show you tomorrow this code as well.
Yes,
Okay, on the
yes.
SSRS code, how you will do it. Okay, and there is one example over there how to create the full SSRS code. Over there, you will also find it.
Mm.
Okay, guys, just make some practice on it.